Nowadays, the house and gardens owned and very carefully maintained by the National Trust. The gardens themselves have been open to the public for many years, and there are some 35 acres to visit. Although it's only relatively recently, in the last 12 or 13 years, you've been able to gain access to the house itself. The property has undergone major restoration work at an estimated cost of some £5 million. There's now an Agatha Christie Visitor Centre on the ground floor, and it's proved to be a very popular attraction indeed. And it was also here in this part of the river that Sir Walter Raleigh used to moor his ship, the Roebuck. Having a ship in the river, you'd imagine that he might have a boathouse. And just coming up on our left is Raleigh's boathouse. It's not the original, but the three main styles trays of his base are. And that's said to be where he stored his wine and his ale. Seen at the Roebuck has been developed over the years. Really by the Victorian names and plunge pool behind the three main doors. They say that's the time of the tide, the Victorians believing that salt water was good for conditions such as rheumatism and arthritis.
ഇവിടെ ബോട്ടുകളെ കൊണ്ടുള്ള ആറാട്ടാ. അഗത ക്രിസ്റ്റീൻ്റെ വീടാണ്. അങ്ങോട്ട് പോകണമെന്ന് വിചാരിച്ചായിരുന്നു, പക്ഷേ സമയമില്ലാത്തതുകൊണ്ട് പിന്നെ ഇപ്പോൾ മെയിൻ ടൂറിസ്റ്റ് അട്രാക്ഷൻ എന്നാണ് പറയുന്നത്. ഇപ്പോൾ 50 ലക്ഷം പൗണ്ടിന് എന്തോ വാങ്ങിക്കുക, എന്താ ചെയ്താണ്.